Hi guys, Joy here, and welcome to Enjoyable Characters. As you guys know, I live in Taiwan, which is in Chinese, Taiwan, Taiwan. The first character, Tai, is like a triangle stacked on a square, Tai. The second character, Wan, I admit that it looks very complicated, but I assure you, when you're in Taiwan, you can see this character everywhere. Don't worry. And in Taiwan, I live in a city in the northern part called Taipei. 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 Tai, as we just said, indicates Taiwan, and Bei means north. There are other cities in Taiwan that is named in similar ways. For example, there is a city in the middle part of Taiwan called Taichung. Taiwan. Zhong, if you recognize this character, it's the loaf of bread cut in the middle. It means middle. Zhong, Taichung. Another city in the south is called Tainan. Tainan. Nan is south. So now you know north and south. What's missing? East and west, right? East is dong. Dong. And west is xi. Xi. Fun fact, if you combine these two characters, which by the way have completely opposite meanings, together they mean stuff. Dong, xi. Dong, xi. So back to directions. So where can you see these direction characters? One good example is at the train station. So when you and your friend are meeting at one of the entrances, these entrances are usually named by their direction. When you meet at the North Gate, in Chinese it would be called Bei Men. Bei Men. Bei, as you now know, means north, while Men originally means door. Here it can mean gate. So North Gate, Bei Men. The same goes for the other directions. For example, East Gate would be called dongmén. Dongmén. Other than the train station, where else can you see direction characters? For example, on the highway, when you see them on the signs, and they indicate which direction you're going, if you're going south or the north. Congratulations on learning your direction characters. I'm Joy, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Enjoyable Characters. Thank you for watching, and 下次见. Bye!